Okay, yeah, this video just to show how to open a SketchUp file. It's a 3D file. Yeah, and yeah, so you simply go to the sketchup.com. This is the home page, and then you type /app, the app, online app, and then you enter. Then you ask you to log in. Log in, yeah, using this, and the URL changed to app.sketchup.com/app. Anyway, yeah, actually you can save this URL for later. Okay, now it's we're in. Then we just open. I like to show actually to Angus that how to open a new file. You just simply put your mouse here. Let's change to full screen. So yeah, F11 normally for full screen. Browser full screen, and open my computer, and then the file. Okay, this is the file Yang sent. This is the file actually we viewed this morning, or this I mean noontime, and then Yang made some small changes according to what we designed, and then we just simply select, and it just tell you it's a large file. Yeah, just ignore that. Yeah, it takes a while. It's a large file. Anyway, this is it. We are viewing the file. Yeah, the first thing you may want to do is to save it. So I like to save, and then select the folder, basically SketchUp, and then I select PyraPOD8 because that belongs to there, and then I give it a name. We call it PyraPOD8 underscore LifePOD, because LifePOD refers to the yeah, the pod for living, and then for Angus, just yeah, okay, and we can even give a date, May 9th, just to, we may have newer version, right? Okay, then just save. Then you can leave the extension yeah, untyped, and then it will just automatically save to the as the right, yeah, extension name. And now it shows that it's saved. Now we just simply view it, right? Yeah, just select. This is the function you use all the time. Basically select, click here, and it shows all kinds of options. But normally you just use this, and then you see it changed to this shape. Means you can rotate, move around. Okay, so yeah, this is it. And yeah, and this is basically what we viewed this yeah, during the day. We did something inside scenes. Copy view, elevation, floor plan. Oh, okay. Well, I see. Oh, that's the floor plan. Oh, this is neat. Okay, I learned a thing. I didn't know it has this. So this shows the floor plan, and basically I think we added one more room. We added one more room. This is a door for this room. This is a door for this room. So anyway, then the shared bathroom, and this is, you can call a master bedroom. Yeah, and kitchen. This is the kitchen, and then we simply move the dining area up to here. So actually, and then we leave this wide open, so it's easy access. And same thing over here. So that's what we did. So this is the living area, okay, and then we see the elevation view. Oh, this is the elevation just from the side, okay, and the top view. Okay, this is the top view. So this is something, you can whoever opened the file can move around. You see, you can do a lot of things. Can rotate, and to zoom in a certain area, you simply point the cursor on that part, at for example, and then just it just expand, with that as a center, simply. So that's what it is. Okay. Oh, this shows that this is a shower stall, a half round shower stall. Okay, that's good. And this is the this is a half bathroom. Well, the detail can be altered, right? So that's it. And this is the 3D view. This is back to the original. And there's other things, but I didn't, I don't know. So basically, young, or maybe the file automatically come with this, just 4 views, and then within each you can move around, right? You can even I think it's move in. You just keep expanding, then it just kind of walk in. So and then you can move around here, inside, right? Go inside. So that's and I think the same way we can move from room to room, maybe. See, it's now it's gonna go through a fabric, and then you keep moving, keep rolling up the mouse, and then now it's clear, very clear, and then you are inside, and then you can move around. This way. Maybe there is a better way, but anyway, that's something. Something you can explore. So we basically look through the the PyraPOD fabric, the double layer fabric, and then this, and then this is 2. And also we made a little change so that so the roof actually just fit right here, and then the rest, just LifePOD, we call it. Richard has a special design to make these LifePOD, relatively low cost, and then the roof will use the PyraPOD8 as the covering, and a couple, equipped with bubble collection, bubble insulation, and shading. So this is it. I think that's it. And this is the by the way, this is the design for Angus in Edmonton. Apparently they are ready to purchase a property, and then the empty land, right? So they need a place to live. So that's why they decided to build LifePOD combined with PyraPOD, based on the SolaRoof technology. Yeah, and this is the proposed plan. We're gonna, in the in a few weeks coming. Yeah, we are going to work on this, to make it better and according to the needs of Angus. Yeah, so the and each session, the owner, Angus will participate, and with others, yeah, involved. Yeah, so anyway, so this is it. Hope you like it, and yeah, I'll see you next time.